everyone, this video will help you to resolve noise or vibration issue in Samsung front-load washing machine. If your Samsung front-load washing machine tends to wobble or vibrate excessively during spin cycle, or if UB or UE error appears on the display, then follow the tips suggested in this video to resolve this issue. This issue occurs when the legs of the washing machine are not in firm contact with a solid floor. To resolve this issue, stop the washing machine and remove all clothes. Check if the washing machine is off balance. For that, press it from diagonal corners. If it wobbles, then this indicates that the washing machine is unbalanced. Adjust all 4 legs of the washing machine using spanner provided with the installation kit. Rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise as required. Tighten the nut to lock it. All 4 legs of the machine should be in firm contact with a solid floor. At last, do the final inspection. So use these steps to resolve noise or vibration issue in Samsung front-load washing machine.